welcome to my channel of love, happiness, and positivities. Yes, it's all about love, happiness, and positivity. So today I am super excited because I don't know if you guys know that I've been filming with my iPad and sometimes I do with my iPhone, but I got a new toy, my Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Ooh, girl, I can't wait to start shooting with this because I read reviews so much about this camera, and the review, I didn't see anything bad about this camera. I've been searching for a while now since I start shooting my videos. It's been over 6 months now, so I really did my research, and this one was my number one. It's good for content and it's also good for vlogging. I've been wanting to vlog for a while now, but I couldn't do it because of my equipment that I had couldn't allow me to to vlog. So now I have this. I'm definitely gonna start vlogging, so I can wait to show you guys what's in here. So I bought it at Best Buy in Canada when I went to visit my sister. Thank you, sis. So yeah, I'm super excited. And so if you are new to my channel, before we start, so go ahead, hit that red button. It's free, you don't have to pay for it, and don't forget to hit also the notification button so you can be notified every time I post my video. So with that being said, let's jump to it. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you what do you actually get inside the box of Canon G7X Mark II. So yeah, it's not a lot of stuff in there. I expected more stuff in there, but it's not much stuff. So right now you get the manual, so they got you covered on that if you like to read. It comes in 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. So in the package, it comes with the battery charger, that way you can charge your battery. It's super useful. And then you have the battery itself. If you like to shoot a lot, I would suggest you to get extra battery just in case you run out. That would be great. And also you get that's the wrist hands, the wrist, just to connect it in your camera so you don't, it doesn't fall off. And now we have the camera. Yes. So when I said that I expected more, I thought that they would have like a USB inside, but unfortunately they don't it doesn't come with the USB. You have to buy the USB separate. And that's the camera. This camera, it's super cute, it's dope, like it's amazing. I love everything about it. There's nothing that I don't love about this camera. You can flip so as you can see on top of the camera, we have all the dial button there, and we have all the on and off button. We also have the button where you can take pictures. Really, all the buttons there, the main buttons, it's depend how you want to shoot. You can adjust it the way you want to shoot it. It's really amazing. And on the other side, there's a Wi-Fi button there, and on that side. And on the other side, there's a battery and the flash memory card also there. It both goes on the same side, side. And that one, when you flip it, and that's the flashlight comes out. You can try it again. It's very powerful. Like, you can take an amazing picture when it's in any dark area. I love this camera, like I said. And that's the screen. You can adjust the screen the way you want. It comes on the bottom, and you can also face you. This is one of the main features that I love, that you can face you when you videotaping anything. You can turn in your face and you can see exactly what you're videotaping. So that's one of the main feature that I love. And one thing I didn't tell you guys about this camera is that it doesn't have a lot of features, which is really good for me. I didn't want anything crazy about features, whatever. So it's very useful, especially for people that started, YouTube or vlogging, whatever. So it's really amazing. As you can see there, that's the where you put the battery and you put the memory card. And to lock it, you have to press to lock it. You cannot just push it and lock it. No, you have to press it and you lock it. As you can see, it's dope. It's really amazing. So here on the other side, whereas there's the Wi-Fi, there's GHMI and a USB connector, I would say, where you can connect in your computer, or you can also charge the battery. I forgot to one thing I have to mention, that it's very light camera, and the lens is right there in the front. You cannot put any lens, unfortunately, but it's super amazing, the lens that comes with this camera. You don't need any other lens. So that's where I'm putting that's where you put the batteries. Yeah. So when you put it, there's something there to lock the battery. Once you put it and you lock it, you have to press that thing to lock it, and then you close it. So like I said, that part on the other side, it's the same place where you put the battery and you also put the memory card. So yes, that's the lens. It's super dope. You can zoom it the way you want it. Like, I'm excited. I can't wait to start shooting on this camera. And I hope this is the last video you see me shooting on my phone or on my iPad, because I'm super excited. I'm glad that I purchased this. If you are there and you're looking for a good camera that you can start shooting or vlogging, this is one of the best camera. I haven't started vlogging on it, or I haven't started shooting on it, but the review, the image itself already, it's super amazing. Like, I can see that there'll be a big change on my videos as far as image, as far as everything. So I can wait, and I will definitely once I start shooting, I'll definitely give you the review on how it's working. But right now I'm just excited to start shooting on this camera. So yeah, it's dope. Like I said, it's amazing. I can't wait to shoot. It's super light. You can put it on your wrist, on your hands, and like I'll show you right now. Um, and you just have to be careful, because it's very small, camera, and it's easy that you can drop it and whatever. But you just have to be careful when taking it out or using it. Just be cautious, because you can easily break the you can easily break it. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I can't wait to shoot on it. So this is amazing. Check it out. If you can afford it, check it out. It's hands down, I cannot change anything. I'm super happy about this camera. So if you like this video, please share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.